Well, welcome back, everybody. I hope you guys are having a phenomenal weekend. It's certainly been a very busy week here, obviously, with the markets, as I'm sure you've seen throughout the week with the live trading room. Ziad's been gracious enough while things have been hectic here for me with the upcoming show, the new office move, big releases for wealth charts that are about to go ahead and hit the world. We went ahead and been pretty busy, but he's been able to show you what we've been doing in the live trading room and in how we've been looking at the markets and the live trading that's taking place there. So if you happen to miss the videos earlier this week, make sure you go back and check those. Really great stuff there by Z in my absence, and so I appreciate him going ahead and sharing that with you guys. So as we go ahead and take a look, here's the beauty. I know people had messaged into the office like, what's Rob's thoughts on this? What's Rob's thoughts on this? But you know what? You had my thoughts. You've had my thoughts for months. We've gone ahead. I'm very consistent in my analysis. I don't change my opinion like the wind, like so many people do. I go ahead and I give you my honest opinion and the best information I have whenever I do these videos. And what I've been telling you for months now, literally months, is unless we had two consecutive closes down below the channel here, I was looking then for the rebound opportunities, right? So back over here at the end of January, we had one bar close below, and then it turned right around. I told you at the time we made an accumulation bar right after that then took off. It pulled back into long-term resistance. This line went right up to long-term resistance, pulled back down, had another one bar close below, and closed right back above with one of my other inventory retracement bars, right? The accumulation bars. Here it went ahead and it went right back up here, made a slightly higher high, but we had the negative divergence. So what were we looking for? Looking for a pullback. Didn't even close below the channel one time here, and here we are right back up again. So that's why I've said until such time as we get those bars closing down below, still going to be looking for the next great opportunities here in tools like Wealth Finder and WSI and a host of those things I've been showing you because this is a culmination of parts of my life's work, some of the top algorithms out there, and things all kind of combined in one, make it really easy to find opportunities. And so before I get into some of those opportunities there, let's go back and just talk about like the travel industry here, because that was something I told you about before. And you'll notice that the travel industry has held up very well with the pullbacks there. Went ahead, got down to the channel, and immediately started going ahead and taking back off. With Expedia, same with Trip there. Went ahead and got back down there, hit target 1 on the downside, which was within the channel, and then pushed right back up, right? So as we look at these then, those type, sectors that are stronger, those are going to be some of the first to rebound there when the market fails to break down. So we've talked about those types of things before. And then when you're trying to find new opportunities, take a look here. Find out what's showing up on multiple time frames. Things such as Dollar Tree. So you'll notice Dollar Tree right there as an example on the daily chart. Well, you can also notice Dollar Tree on the weekly chart here. So as we look, there's Dollar Tree on the weekly chart. Well, sure enough, look what we have too. We have like the ITP indicators fired off there with an accumulation bar back there previously, and a reverse inventory retracement bar by so numerous long side signals there, and that was coming off the heels of right over here with my ITP indicators, what we call throttling, and after a pullback then you're looking for a higher high, right? So Dollar Tree there on the weekly basis, and then we look at it on the daily basis. Well, sure enough, there's acceleration alerts and rapid trade identifiers, and then if you get those, then you're looking for dual momentums, and then you're looking to see if you have throttling. Well, sure enough, we have all of those things. So what's happened here since that time? We've now gone up, multiple dollars, and so these are the kind of things that, look at how well that held up despite the S&P pulling back. So when you're finding things like that showing up, on things on Wealth Finder, then when the market's holding up and not doing that breakdown that we've been talking to you about for months here, that's how you find some of those really great opportunities. And also, you can do very well from a premium collection perspective, and that depending on what kind of options trades you might be putting on for it. So everything is status quo and consistent, and that's the beauty beauty of my work. So whether you're looking at on an intraday basis, and Z's been able to show you those videos throughout the week there from the live trading room, or you go ahead and are looking at it from a swing and options perspective here and position trading perspective with the consistency of what I've been sharing with you, it's just phenomenal markets here. And speaking of phenomenal, I'm really excited. I couldn't be more excited about the upcoming Wealth 365 Summit. I know there's a lot of shows out there these days. Obviously, we do them way different than the other shows out there, and they've got heavy corporate sponsorship by a lot of great industry names. We got some companies coming in that are recent and IPOs, and they're companies that want to introduce you to some of the hot technologies that are out there, and so there's some really neat stuff coming on. And of course, we brought back your favorites and eliminated the people that you didn't want to see in. That's one of the things that makes us so unique. We try to make it the show for you and about you. And so the upcoming Wealth 365 Summit's going to be really special here, and it's coming up real quick. So make sure you go to becomeabettertrader.com/Wealth 365. I'll be speaking there multiple times, showing you different things. We've also got some other real big surprises for you during that show too, to actually give you some real life how-to trading experiences and that. So just bringing the quality to you that we always do with Wealth 365 here. And so thanks for your feedback too, and helping us making it the incredible show that it is. So with that said, enjoy the rest of your weekend. Think about what we just talked about, given where the market's still at and the kind of trading opportunities to go look for. And I will look forward to seeing you in the upcoming videos here, and we'll keep you apprised of what's happening. So thanks everybody. Take care. We'll see you soon. Bye-bye.